Let's see how long she is.
These are cool. It goes blue when she's peed.
Look at Auntie Ella.
Yeah. This line.
That's for the 12-year-old girls that have babies.
Look at Auntie.
Okay, when this turns blue.
Look at Auntie. Oh.
Fake.
Say hi to Nana. Say hi to everybody at home. Say hi. Open your big eyes. Oh.
So there's my birthday cake. There's my birthday cake, hey mama.
Say hi, everybody. Hi, everybody.
This one's on.
Are you changing him? Oh. Bless you, baby.
Again.
Bless you.
The doctors are like, she's so mellow.
She's checking you out now. Now what is it? Who is this alien? It's not an alien. It's a Filipino.
Not the first, though.
That won't be
I'm
the
sure
last.
all your nurses.
What a good one. You see those legs, honey? Show everybody those thighs. Oh my goodness. Look at these rolls.
Look at where they keep jabbing her. Mini daytime.
Big old
Long
chicken
feet,
wings.
dude.
She's heavy.